Hello, my name is Siddhant Sinha. I am here to talk about Chapter 9 Your Destiny, Fate, or Free Will from the book Happiness Unlimited. You can control your actions by keeping a track of your thoughts. So, we are aware that peace is natural and not anger. When we are aware that we are in peace and not in anger, we have changed our definition of what is natural. Now, we are not supposed to justify anger, rather than we are creating a new belief system as our own sanskar, which is peace. It is always more difficult to remain stable in extremely poking circumstances than reacting impulsively, and that is why stability is strength. Peace is strength and not anger. Sister Sivani states a wonderful example to explain the same. She said that if a boss shouts at an employee, there will be few people asking that employee to argue with the boss. And again, there will be few people suggesting him to make peace with the boss and suppress anger. But hardly do we realize that the matter is not about suppressing anger. In fact, it is about simply not creating the negative energy of anger at all. That strength. We can prevent a thought from turning out into an action by predicting the final outcome. So, before getting angry, one should analyze the post consequences of it. Always, when you create a thought, we create some emotions along with it. So, when we say, I want to meet you, this is a feeling which is a result of thought we created in the past of missing the same person. So, every thought generates a feeling. And when these feelings are put up together, they develop into person's attitude. Our attitudes decide our actions. Repeated actions get converted into usual habits, and our habits shapes up our personality. And our personality decides our destiny. Amazing, isn't it? Now, how to change our thoughts? Because the basis is directing one's correct thought. Sister Sivani states, sit back, check, choose, and change with proper awareness and practice. Our attitude will change ultimately. Do you remember actions and cut formula influence? Even in real life, we have to use this trick. You can start and stop a thought from being created by yourself. Unfortunately, in real life, there's hardly any retake. You can spend 10 minutes creating a painful thoughts. The 11th minute might not be painful for you, but you cannot retake those 10 minutes which are gone. This is life. Tell me something. Do you feel nice about stuck in a traffic jam? Definitely no. But we all like a peaceful music being played in a tranquil background because we are peace, not noise. Peace is natural, not noise. Nobody shapes our destiny other than our own karma. We wear astrological rings to change our destiny. Hardly do we realize the ring does not change our future. After wearing the ring, we create a thought in our mind, like अब सब अच्छा होगा. But actually everything will be good. But it's not because of the ring. It is because of the thought that work magical improvement in your destiny. That's all about chapter 9. Have a good day.